Hey, my little Saffies. Sorry. Okay, by the way, I want to let you know, this is just my gaming channel. If you want to go subscribe to my main channel, Beanie Boo Art Animation Studios, then you can go do that. This is just my side channel. But so today, guys, can you guess where I am right now? We're in my favorite area currently. We're in Royal High. Hint, hint. Okay, the apartments came out. Look at this. Look at how cool that is. I'm sorry, but that is so cool to me. Oh my god. There's like a whole elevator buttons and everything. What is this key? Doors open. Doors locked. Friends can't come in. Doors open. Friends can let themselves in at any time. I'm gonna do this one because yeah, this one definitely. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait, that's super cool. That is super cool. Okay. Friends can let themselves in anytime. But so these doors open. There's a light switch. But also, let me show you another cool thing. So if we come in here, oh my gosh. I'm gonna keep getting stuck in these doors in roleplays all the time. No matter what. Okay, so you can change the color of everything. Anything you want. Look at that. I'm gonna do a very light pink because I love that color so much. There we go. This is actually really cool. Let's see if there's anything new in the catalog. I clicked on one. Let's see. Anything new? To be honest, does not seem like it. I gotta get to buying these, but I don't think they're gonna go off sale, are they? I don't think they will. But I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm so cold right now. I gotta eat my waffle. It got rock hard. Okay. I'm gonna show you the rest of the room. You know what? We'll accept your friend request. What? Before I let you do anything, we're gonna walk out for a minute. Because, yeah. Okay. Apparently there's someone else in my server somehow. Oh, there's many other people, actually. I didn't know that. Okay. Look. Release some fresh bread. We got a whole bunch of foods, and then if you click on this, you get a kettle, because it says kettle, and it's a kettle. I already took mine out. Let's try to place it somewhere. Where should we put it? Let's put it on a burner, on the stove. Why do the lights change color? Is this supposed to happen? Is it like the Christmas tree or something? What is going on? Kind of confused. I love the pink and white. That's so pretty. It's really pretty. Oh, also, there's something I really gotta show you. So, just like Barbie has shown, that there are different poses on the couch. She took pictures of herself and actually had them sit all over this couch. As you can see, actually, it was legit. She was being serious. This is actual poses you can do on the couch. She wasn't lying about it. She was being completely serious. Like, this is so cool. Oh my god. That's literally the neatest thing ever. And then you got the cutest Christmas tree in the world. Oh, you can still fly here. You can go back to Earth if you want. So, don't worry. Like they said, Earth, they may have said that it was going to be gone, but as you can see right here, Earth is still here. And you can teleport to your apartment if you're in a certain area. But now, so as we were shown, look at all these floofy things. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this. Look at that. You turn off the lights. It's like super freaking pretty. Oh my god. Oh, this is actually like my real computer. Wait, what? Log in tomorrow for another. There's a login reward now? Oh my god. That's literally amazing. Okay, wait. Let's go to bed again. Because I want to show you something really cool. Look, it's going up. You'll see what happens. It gives you diamonds. It gives you more and more diamonds. For just sleeping. Look at this. Wait for it. 99. Jump out of the bed. It still did give me diamonds the first time. It's cool. Like, now this actually gives you diamonds. I didn't even know that was possible. You can... I'm guessing you can, like, invite your friends over and stuff. I love this window seat so much. That is the cutest thing ever. I love this so much. Like, just the patterns, everything is so pretty. Like, honestly, this is amazing. 10 out of 10. Really good job, Barbie. I love your idea. Oh my god, I would actually do this in real life. This is what I would do. Oh my god. So some of them make you do silly things. Oh, oh my god, wait. Wait. Oh my god. It throws you. Wait, look at this. Okay, wait. Look at this one. Look at what happens when I sit on this one. That's everything. That's everything I've wanted in my life and more. I'm kidding, but this is literally amazing. Oh my god. It makes you spin and then can you jump on the couch? How do I jump on the couch again? What have you done? I want to sit on the couch. Okay, so apparently, like, different times it'll make you do different things. I love that so much. The spinny one, yay. How are the lights changing colors like that? I'm kind of confused. I'm gonna eat more of my waffle. I wish I had a face cam so you could see my waffle, but I don't. Oh my gosh, wait, once again, oh, that is everything, once again, literally, there's a time on the thing, that's amazing. Well, because also now, guys, I'm starting to, wait. Can you... What? Wait. Can you actually, like... What? Wait. It says trade settings are on. I'm going to... You know what? I'm going to try to trade someone then. Is trading out? Maybe. Let's go to this page. To my other page. Here, come on. Okay, step through the elevator. Okay, wait. Welcome to your new luxury high-rise apartment. It's already decked out for the holidays. Complete with a Christmas tree, lights that will go to your music. Speaking of music, say hello to Royella. when you step through the elevator, right now, she can set up a custom playlist for you. So your favorite song plays when you arrive back home. She is located by your computer. Introducing needs sleep. Oh my god, that's what I actually was guessing. I didn't read this whole thing before. Get reward for when you get some much needed shut-eye. Oh my gosh, that's exactly what was happening. Access your sleep needed through missions on your phone. Okay, I see. About your apartment. Your lock settings are by the default set to doors open, meaning any friend can join you via phone. You can change your lock settings from the gate of people to join your private server, and they will be escorted into your apartment even if you are offline. Okay. New makeup, outfits, hair poses, and fabrics. Okay. Wait, there's new fabrics? Okay, I'm gonna have to check that out. Wait, or am I... Guys, I've been reading all the stuff, so it says, new makeup, new outfits, new hair, and new fabrics. And then Christmas Realm and Ice Castle coming soon. That's really cool. Okay, icons by S Starry. Okay. There's nothing new with that. But now, let's look at the rest. So it did say that there was like a thing that can like set up music for you. Voyella. This is probably her. Wait. So it's this thing. What do we do here? How do we use it? I'm confused. Oh, okay. Wait, is this how it works? Do you do this? Am I doing it right? Oh my god, wait. Add song, let's see. Christmas tree. Yeah, let's play Christmas tree, sure. Here, let's listen to it. Okay, let me see. Does it even work? Ooh. Wait, okay. Settings, volume. Yes. You guys might not have been able to hear it, but I was hearing. Okay, I'm gonna stop it. That's like so cool. That's literally the coolest thing ever. Okay, I'm gonna log into my computer. Literally, this is what I have to do every day, actually. Oh my god, this is so realistic. Okay, I thought that you could like do stuff on the computer, but I guess not. Oh, we should probably, so I heard that, so sleeping is the need that gives you diamonds, apparently. Oh, so many people are supposed to be, okay, there's people at their apartments. But, okay, wait. Needs energy, okay. Yes, so there are needs in your thing. Okay, I see. I get it. I wish Ariella could, like, shut off the lights for you and stuff. That would be, like, the coolest thing ever. You could just, like, clap in chat, say, like, type some, like, command in chat that they give you, and she'll, like, do it. So, R to sleep and E to relax. Okay. I think that's, like, the classic controls for sleeping and relaxing, I think. Yeah. But anyways, so I guess that is the new update. Thank you for looking at this video. Anyways, thank you for watching. Goodbye.